Darkness falls. Heroes rise. The story begins. Ruins smolder where cities once stood. Power is hoarded by the cruel, the desperate, or the dead. But the cracks in the world are where the stories bleed through. And that's where you live. A wanderer, a weapon, a voice in the dark, with nothing left to lose. Darklight is a stripped-down, story-rich tabletop RPG built for players who want grit, speed, and atmosphere. The rules are light, intuitive, and designed to keep the focus on the story, not bookkeeping. Combat hits hard. Moments matter. Every choice pushes the world forward, or breaks it further.
Hey everyone, Sean here from Art and Minis, and I'm excited to tell you all about my new book, Darklight. It is a full TTRPG system. I'm very excited about it. It's kind of come about from the book I did previously, the This Way, That Way book, The Dwarven Halls of Hintondale. A number of people have asked about it, and they wanted more. They said it was so simple to play, and a lot of times when I'm at the game table, I see player one over here rolling horrible, and then watching it go all the way around and do all the NPCs and the villains, and by the time it gets back to them, it's been like half hour and they're bored. So I needed to come up with a better way of playing, something snappy and fast, and I'm here to tell you all about it.
Let's start with features, better known as stats. In my game there are 4, not 6. They are physique, balance, mind, and stamina. Next is talents. These are better known as skills. I have 7, not 18. Mine consist of agility, concealment, endurance, lore, might, stagecraft, and understanding, giving you a much better chance of really remembering things during the game without having to check on your character sheet. In my game I call it culture, referred to as species or race in other games. I have 4, not 50 plus. I have a mortal, a fey, a stout, and a littlefoot. Station, probably known as class in other games. I have 4, not like 13 core with over 100 subclasses, too many to wade through. We have a warrior, a hallowed, an enchanter, and a scamp. Combat in Darklight is very different. There's no armor class or AC system at all. You roll a d12, add any modifiers, and if it is above 8, you hit. People say, well, I'm going to get hit all the time. Yeah, you probably will, and you're going to hit things all the time. But at the beginning of Darklight, you start with 14 to 26 hit points, so you can jump into action immediately. Some stations can wear armor, but it's different in my system. A traditional game system says wearing armor makes it harder to hit you, but in reality, you're larger and you move slower, and you actually should be easier to hit. In Darklight, your armor absorbs some of the damage you receive. Kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Chaos in Darklight. The forces of dark and light are ever shifting, shaping the world in unpredictable ways. Does your hero resist the pull or embrace the chaos? Every time you succeed on a talent, attack, or damage roll, you can choose to embrace the chaos of Darklight and make a chaos roll. It can be done with a flip of a coin, a roll of a d6, 1 to 3 is dark, 4 to 6 light, or roll any die, and odds is dark, evens is light. Your ED may have other options for you. A dark outcome. The action succeeds, but with an unforeseen cost. The ED will describe its tainted effect. A light outcome. The action succeeds with an exciting boon. Something tilts in your favor. Here's some examples. Dark. The wall is successfully scaled, but sharp edges have cut the hero's hands. Light. Hero vaults over a table, landing with perfect balance, gaining a +1 on the next strike. Let's chat a little bit about magic. In Darklight, all the spells work, period. You don't have to roll to see if you've hit the target or if the target can dodge the spell. The difference is the chaos factor. When you cast a spell, you must roll a chaos die to see how the spell is affected, whether positively or negatively. Okay, I need to talk about the artwork of Darklight. I contributed some. My friend Chubbs also provided some drawings, but the majority of the art comes from the insanely talented Friendly Mike. He really brought the book to life with his amazing style. Such great old school vibes. Some people have bought the book just for the art. I can't thank him enough for his friendship and the help with this project.
All right, I hope that gives everyone a bit of a better understanding of the Darklight system, the game, the book. It comes in 2 parts, the front part being a player's handbook and the back part being a GM, or as I call an ED's section. Lots of information. There's enough there to pick it up and start playing right away. Our beta testing went so well. We had such a blast doing it. It's turned into a full campaign, and from that campaign, I've created the first module, The Hills of Dread, right here, and both these books are available online if you'd like to purchase. If you'd like to support this crazy adventure that I'm doing, there's links down below. Check them out. And yeah, thank you very much for your time, and may all your adventures be grand. Cheers.
Create stories that burn. No complex mechanics. Just you, your friends, and the dark light.